So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 11 repeated questions to answer on the topic interpersonal relationships. So guys, this video will be about Christian attitudes to persecution. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, Peter admonishes Christians that suffering for Christ's sake brings God's A, blessing, B, salvation, C, love, D, righteousness. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's blessing. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here, question number 2 says, Peter says that Christians should put to silence the ignorance of foolish men by A, being humble, B, doing right, C, preaching the resurrection, D, praying daily. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, that's doing right. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 3. It says, according to Peter, if a Christian suffers for his faith, he should not be A, blamed, B, afraid, C, ashamed, D, worried. The answer to this question, guys, is option C here, and that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 4. It says, according to Peter, believers who are reproached for the name of Christ are blessed because the spirit of A, patience, rests upon them, B, glory of God rests upon them, C, love and God rests upon them, D, hope rests upon them. A perverter. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. The spirit of glory and of God rests upon them. And that is for this question. And guys, let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 5. It says, Jesus encouraged his followers to rejoice when they were persecuted because A, all their sins would be forgiven, B, they would not lack anything good, C, angels would come to their aid, D, great would be their reward in heaven. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Great would be their reward in heaven. That's it for this question, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the next question. So we have question number 6 here. It says, what does Paul advise Roman Christians to do to those who persecute them? Alright, so we have here options A to D, forgive them, B, feed them when hungry, C, give them drink when thirsty, and D, bless them. So guys, the actual answer to this question is option D here, that's to bless them. So that is for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, that's question number 7 here. It says, be angry but do not sin. Means that anger, A, is not a serious sin, B, is not a sin at all, C, is an unforgivable sin, D, could be an occasion for sin. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Anger could be an occasion for sin, and that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So our next question here, question number 8 says, suffering for a just reason is a pointer to A, St. Peter's teaching on persecution, B, St. Paul's teaching on justification of faith, C, St. James' teaching on impartiality, D, St. Paul's teaching on persecution. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's St. Peter's teaching on persecution. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question together, guys. So we have here question number 9. It says, Peter urges Christians to live as free men without necessarily using their freedom as a pretext for A, evil, B, partiality, C, immorality, D, greed. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's evil. And that's it for this question, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the next question. So here's question number 10. It says, according to Peter, When we meet various trials in life, we should A. forsake the gospel, B. hold on till the end, C. deny God, D. rejoice. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's to rejoice. So let's go ahead and check out the next and last question, guys. So we have here question 11. It says, in his exhortation on interpersonal relationship, Peter recommends that the elders should A. have willingness to live, B. give no room for wine, C. have a cheerful spirit, D. live exemplary life. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, to live exemplary life. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.